guys, Dark Reality here from Duck Gaming, bringing you another White Noise online multiplayer thingy magic video. I am still with the same two people from episode 4, 3, 2, and 1. He's right there. We are pros. We have survived this whole time, which is, Oh, you just walked through the wall. Oh yeah, I forgot you can go through there. It's really cool, because I don't... Can he get you if you're in here? Did you just say yeah? My torch is actually... Just keep swimming, swimming, swimming. I can actually see how... Oh, wait. Hello! Woo. Yeah, we're gonna follow you just in case you do find one. I can hear one. I can't see a thing because my flashlight is running out. Yeah, I can hear one. Yeah, there's probably... What? What did you say? Oh, these aliens are the monster. These things are serious. Ah! Jesus! I can't believe we're still alive. He keeps spawning in front of me. Hello? Are you guys still there? Oh, cool. Well, I lagged out. No, I got the trial. Does anyone have a Hunger Games map? Yeah, but has anyone here got a Hunger Games? I do, but it's like not exactly the same as Skyder's Minecraft. I changed it. I can't believe we've only found like 3 out of 8. We've been around in circles the whole time. Like, we're gonna die, watch the replay, and we've been in the same spot like 50 times. I think we have 3. I actually think we have 3. Slender's not as bad as, like, Slender doesn't jump out at you as much as this, though. Ah! He keeps spawning there, and it's pissing me off. You know what? Ah! This is weird. Everywhere we've looked into, like, we've seen him, turned around. No, yeah, we see him turn around and then he's just behind us and in front of us at the same time. No. It's impossible to see nothing. You have to be able to see something. Where are you? Because I'm pretty scared now. Oh, you're there. Your flashlight just blinded me. I can't see shit. Blinded by the light! What? Are you sure we got the one from the train, or is that in a different game? I swear that was in a different game. Oh, where's the submarine? We haven't even been there yet. No. We've been in the same places for like loads now. I think so. Why? We've been in the same places so many times. I don't want to go first. I've gone first the whole time now. I think it's time for you to go first. What? What kind of spacs would go into Area 51 and start finding tapes while there's some fucking retarded monster following you that makes you go 3D? Oh, by the way, you know when he catches you, it looks really 3D if you put the glasses. No, it looks like if you put the glasses on, it'll be 3D. The glasses don't work. I've tried them. I didn't look at it. Oh, we're at the library again. What? Alright, guys, this is gonna be episode 5, I think? No, 6. Yeah, so, thanks for watching.